What if you want to use file system shell methods to construct copying of particular files? I'm going to show you how this is done in Python so you can copy a file, its attributes, and zip a file up. Let's take a look. As you're well aware, operating system is very important to your code. It's very important that you understand how the operating system works and the shell commands associated with the operating system. Inside of Python, I'm going to show you how you can use the file system shell methods to accomplish certain common tasks. So, for example, I'm going to import the OS. I'm going to import the shell util. I'm also going to do from OS, I'm going to import path. I'm going to define my main module here, and I'm going to say if path exists, and I'm going to look for file1.txt, and I have a file1.txt. I'm going to say source path, real path of file1.txt. Not SCC, but src. And I'm going to do print src. And I'm going to execute main. Right here, for example, so far, if I do python sh, it tells me that the real path of where file is located is inside of C code file1.txt. Now, what if I say else print no file with this name? I'm going to do source. Source, no file with this name. Save that, run this. Now it prints me file1.txt, but what if I change this to file1x? That file does not exist. Okay, so it says no file with this name. So this path.exist will actually check to see if that file is actually there. So far, so good. Let's see what else I want to do. I'm going to separate the path. I'm going to say that I'm going to separate the head from the tail, and I'm going to do path split of the source, and then I'm going to print the head of the path, and then I'm going to print the tail of the path. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Okay. So this is the heading, which is the path, and then this is the file name. Okay. So I can say that this right here is the location, and this right here is the file name. File name. So here I can say location, file name. Run that, and there we go. Now I want to make a copy of this file, let's say. Okay, let's say I want to make a copy of this file. So I'm going to say print making copy of file, like so. And then I'm going to do, my destination will be the source, and I'm going to add a BAK to the extension, signifying that I'm going to be making a copy with the BAK extension. I'm going to do shutil copy command, and I'm going to copy from source to destination. Save that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to also copy over the permissions, modification times, and other information associated with the file. So I'm going to copy that from source to destination, because I don't want to just copy the file. I actually want to copy the attributes associated with the file as well. So let's take a look at this. Right now, when I do a dir file1, like so, you notice all I get is file1.txt. Okay? When I run this code, okay, it's making a copy of the file. Now when I do a dir of file1, I get file1.txt and I get file1.txt BAK. So it actually made a copy of the file as well. Let's do something else over here. I'm going to specify the root. I'm going to do shutil make archive, zip archive, and I'm going to do root_dir. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say the root_dir. Okay. I'm going to say the root_dir, and I'm going to specify a tail as well, is going to be the path split, in this case, of source. And I would be able to create myself an archive of the file, for example, a backup archive, if you will, of the file and create a zip file associated with this. So it's very easy for me to construct zip. It's very easy for me to construct backups utilizing some shell utilities that are provided within Python, available to you in built-in modules.